Hi, I'm Sam from Fine & Country and welcome today to Toft, just south of Donchurch, where behind me, Toft Corner has come to the market. This beautiful post-war home has 5 bedrooms and 1/3 of an acre of gardens. Come with me and we'll take a good look round. Behind the attractive oak door is a spacious hallway. With its original oak floor, these lead off to the reception rooms, which are blessed with an abundance of natural light via the bay windows, whilst the dining room has a matching fireplace and great views of the 4 gardens. There's an L-shaped kitchen breakfast room, which also has a utility room and has a cloakroom off the hall, as well as access to the garage. The first floor has again a spacious landing, which has access to 5 well-proportioned bedrooms. There's a master bedroom, again with bay windows and abundance of natural light. A family bathroom, a box room, and a 5th bedroom currently used as a study. There's 2 remaining large rooms which provide plenty of space for a growing family. The gardens are particularly attractive, enveloped with lawns and a great patio with pond and water feature. You join us at the end of this tour in the beautiful sheltered gardens at Toft Corner. If you'd like to know more about this property or join us for an exclusive viewing, then contact us on the details that are about to follow.